There are 3D printers that break down quickly, and then there's the Stratasys F123 series. Everything about it is designed for long-term performance. You can see right away how sturdy it looks on the outside, but it's what's on the inside that really sets it apart. The steel frame is much heavier and much thicker than you would see on a normal desktop printer, and that offers you rigidity, stiffness that is in par with an industrial system. The X-Rail is built with a steel I-beam that prevents the extrusion heads from sagging or twisting compared to desktop printers. Some desktop 3D printers use round rods, but the F123 series has linear profiled rails with ball bearings. This makes the build tray very rigid and accurate, and also allows for a higher load and speed capacity so that the system stays in calibration. There's no deflection when you build full volume parts. The Kevlar belts that the F123 series uses are 2 to 3 times thicker than the belts in these desktop systems. Not only that, the Kevlar is a reinforcement material that's stronger than a lot of the reinforcement materials used in the other systems belts. What that means is that when we move the motion system around, there is no stretch. And check out the insulation. Cheaper systems use simple foam that breaks down over time. Stratasys produces the F123 with high quality, high temperature insulation for consistent oven heating reliability over the long term.